stage, the scene, the set. Talk becomes slow, but there's one thing I'll never forget. Hey, you gotta pay your dues before you pay the rent. Over the turnstiles, they're out in the traffic. There's ways of living, that's the way I'm living, right or wrong. It's all I can do, and I wouldn't want to let you be. I want a range life. If I could settle down, if I could settle down, then I'd settle down. I want a range life. If I could settle down, if I could settle down, then I'd settle down. Hey YouTube, we're going to learn Range Life by Pavement. That was the verse and the chorus. And then there's also a bridge. I'll show you that after. It starts on A. Goes to F sharp minor. E. D. A. The chorus is 3 minor chords. The chorus starts with C sharp minor, the 4th fret, F sharp minor, which we played, the 2nd fret, B minor, and then back to the F sharp minor. I want a range life, like Home on the Range, I think. If I could settle down. Oh wait, the bridge comes after, I think, like the 3rd verse. And it comes before the chorus. Don't worry, we're in no hurry. School's out. What did you expect? And then into the chorus. So that is a very short bridge. E, don't worry. D, we're in no hurry. A. B minor. School's out. What did you expect? D to A again. So E, D to A, and then B minor, D to A. And then into the chorus. And that's the whole song. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy playing that. Bye.